Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by wearing gloves and safety glasses and disconnect the battery for 5 minutes to avoid short circuits when handling heated mirrors. Fold the mirror flat and use a plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the edge. Many VW Golf mirrors have 3 clips and an electrical connector. Use a 10 mm socket to remove any visible bolts. If the glass is glued, warm the area with a hair dryer or heat gun for 2 to 3 minutes to soften the adhesive and prevent cracking. After softening the adhesive or exposing the clips, disconnect the heater and motor plug by pressing its locking tab and pulling gently straight out to avoid damage. Lift the old glass at the bottom edge and release the 3 retaining clips or slide it off the motor pin if clipped. If adhesive was used, clean the hub with isopropyl alcohol and remove residue. Position the replacement glass onto the motor pin, align heating contacts, and press firmly until you hear all clips click into place. Once the new glass is installed, reconnect the battery and test mirror adjust, heating function, and power folding to confirm electrical connections and alignment are correct. If you used adhesive, let it cure for 24 hours before high-speed driving and avoid automatic car washes for at least 12 hours to ensure bond strength. Finally, inspect that the glass sits flush with the housing, tighten any 10 mm bolts you removed, and replace trim pieces for a neat factory finish before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.